The title of our project is Thermal Management System for Electric Vehicle Batteries. Currently, we are incubated under Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Center of Excellence in Innovation and Entrepreneurship. We have also been recognized under the scheme of DST Nugent IEDC. To give you a short introduction about the problem, the nominal temperature of the battery cells in electric vehicles is near about 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. While charging and discharging conditions, what happens is the temperature rises near about to 60 to 80 degrees. The existing system utilizes vapor compression cooling system consuming 2 to 3 kilowatt power during charging as well as discharging. Existing thermal management system fails to work at ideal conditions, that is to maintain it in nominal temperatures, that is 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. This causes cells to die, and it also causes unconditional accidents, major accidents. So the problem statement that we have chosen is increase in temperature of the battery cells, making it uncertain and reducing the life because of frequent charging and discharging conditions. So to talk about the solution that we are providing, firstly about the temperature, the proposed system reduces the overheating of battery while charging and discharging and ensures cooling during charging conditions. Secondly, in the field of power consumption, it prevents the expenditure of power for thermal management during the charging and discharging conditions. And finally, when we talk about a setup, it is finely insulated setup to avoid any leakage of coolant with perfectly designed feedback. So to talk about the technology that we are using here pervaporation. Pervaporation is carried out by a nanoporous membrane made up of sintered copper. So before making this membrane using sintered copper, we have already tried membranes using polysulfone and chitosan flakes. Only after calibrating the results with all these three membranes, we have decided to use sintered copper. So using heat transfer, pervaporation allows only water to get vaporized from water ethylene glycol mixture, and water is again sent back to the coolant tank. So this way the surface temperature is reduced.